Good morning, dear students. Today we can do the one-way ANOVA, the working rule for one-way ANOVA. By the data, examiner given you this information. In a problem, it is given, and it should be right like this. By the data, here groups are here, the groups are here, and observations in horizontal way, and groups you have to take in vertical way. And now you can enter all these observation values up to this. It may be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Okay. Now, after that, you have to look here. These observations you have to add, that is a TI value. Then you take a TI square of this value. This is a TI square. Then take a square of this, plus square of this, plus square of this, plus square of this, and add them. And that is summation of xi square. And the B values are here. This plus this plus this plus this equal to TI value. And TI square value, you write it here. And now the square of this, plus square of this, plus a square of this, plus square of this. And that adding them gives summation of xi square. And next, for the C group, this plus this, plus this, plus this equal to TI value. And take a square of this TI, that becomes a TI square. And this square plus this square plus this square plus this square, that is summation of xi square. Now add all these TI, this plus this plus this equal to T value, means the total observation, sum of total observation, that is T. And no necessary for TI square here, xi square, summation of xi square necessary, this plus this plus this equal to summation of xi square. Now you find the n. N is total observations. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3. This is 12 observations. N equal to 12 you can write. Then K groups. Look here, A, B, C. 3 groups are there. K equal to 3 groups. It may be 4 also, it may be 5 also, depends upon question, paper setup. Next. Then, after this, the B part, state the hypothesis. Hypothesis H0, suppose 3 groups are here. Look here, 3 groups are here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 means are coming. mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. Suppose 4 groups are here. 1, A, B, C, D, 4 groups. Then here equal to mu3 square equal to, mu1, mu3 equal to mu4. Okay. Then, and alternate hypothesis, the reverse of this, opposite of this. It is equal to, not equal to, equal to, not equal to. At least one. All the 3 may not be unequal. At least one may be unequal. Okay, that is the meaning. Then CF, correction factor, T square upon N. T square upon N. Look here, the T square value and N value here. Okay, now you can put it here. T square upon N square, you write here. And TSS, summation of xi square minus CF, summation of xi square. Look here, summation of xi square value is here. You take that value and keep it here. No, keep it here. And CF value already we have calculated here, minus CF. Then SST means summation of TI square upon Ni. Summation of TI square. Look here. TI square. Look here. TI square. This is value divided by how many? They are the sum of 4 values. This value divided by 4 and plus this value divided by 4 plus this value divided by 4. You take it. Ti square value that is summation of Ti square minus CF. CF is already calculated here. Plus square then SSE equal to TSS minus SST. Xi square. And next now you can find out C group SSA TSS minus SST plus this value you can write. The next is ANOVA table you have to form. And take a square of this Ti. The ANOVA table. Whatever already calculated value you have to enter here. The variation between error total. Degrees of freedom. The degrees of freedom for the between K minus 1. K means number of groups minus 1. And the groups are 3. 3 minus 1, 2 will be there. And error equal to N minus K. N is total observations minus groups. So that is 12 minus 3 groups. That is equal to the error. And total degrees of freedom is N minus 1. Yes. Sum of squares equal to SST. Look here, SST value. SST value. This value is coming over here. You write it here. Observations. Now SSE. Look here. SSE. Last we have calculated. SSE. Look here. This value we have to write there. Then TSS and TSS already we have calculated here. TSS, look here, yes, TSS here, you can write there. Then next MSS. This is mean sum of squares. Mean sum of MST equal to SST divided by K minus 1. SST divided by K minus 1 gives MST. You calculate and write here. Then next MSE equal to SSE divided by N minus K. Look here, SSE divided by N minus K. This divided by this. Calculate and write here. Then next F equal to MST divided by MSE. If MST is greater than MSE, and this you have to use. Otherwise, you have to use, look here, the F, look here, MSE divided by MST. If MSE is greater than MST, you calculated this value here. And similarly, here also you have to mark here F, degrees of freedom. If you use this formula, look here, this formula for calculation of F, then it's T square upon N, MST degrees of freedom. This is K minus 1. Okay. Now you can put it here. Then MSC degrees of freedom, N minus K. TSS, summation of N square minus K. This is the mu1 Xi square. Look here. And this is mu2 while calculation. Or it may be also other way also. Suppose MSC means N minus K. Then comma K minus 1. And now this becomes mu1, this becomes mu2 in a table. Then F at 0.05 with degrees of freedom. Look here, mu1, mu2, the mu2, look here, mu2. And its value is coming from the table. Now calculated value is here, F. Now you take the F here. If it is greater than Ft, this value, then reject the hypothesis. If F is smaller than Ft, then accept the hypothesis. Now we can go and solve one problem. Now set up an ANOVA table and state if the variety differences are significant. MN India Limited is supply the varieties of maize seeds to WXYZ. The popular varieties are A, B, C. Now, look here, it is given. Seeds are given, plots are given. These are the plots and these are the seeds. Seeds are 3 seeds, type of seeds. And plots are 4 type plots are there. Now you can find out their readings are given here. A's readings, B's readings, C's readings. Now then we have to ANOVA table solve this by ANOVA, one way ANOVA. Okay.
Whatever already
Now,
calculated
for
value,
this
we have
purpose,
to
solution.
the variation between error total. Degrees of
Very good. Yeah, my dear students, the solution to this problem by the data, whatever examiner given you, here you have to write them. You look at varieties. You have find the significance of varieties means A, B, C. Three seeds are there. These A, B, C, you take it in horizontal way, and plots you take it in horizontal way, and you take them in vertical way, A, B, C, and enter the values 6, 7, 3, 8 is readings, and B's readings 5, 5, 3, 7, and C's readings 5, 4, 3, 4.
Look here.
Now the TI calculation you have to do.
Look here, this value you have to write there.
You have to do the TI calculation. Means 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 8. This is 24. And 24 square is 576. Now, next 6 square plus 7 square plus 3 square plus 8 square. And that is 158. And next 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 7. This is a 20. 20 square is 400. Next, 5 square plus 5 square plus 3 square plus 7 square. Its sum is 108. And next, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4. It is 16. And 16 square, 256. Now, 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. It is 66. Now, you can add TI column here. 24 plus 20 plus 16. This is 60. Means this is sum of all the observations equal to 60. And similarly here, look here, you can add them. Xi square 158 plus 108 plus 66. This is 332. This is summation of x square, xi square. My dear students, if you do mechanically, it will take lot of, you are waiting lot of time. You can do this in calculation, in calculator itself. How to do? I am going to tell you. On the calculator, press the mode button, and then third button, and now here the number one, only one
minus k
column. Number two, the two columns are coming, so that I can do the A and B. Look here. First, I can do for A and B values, and this total calculation is coming over here. Now, look here. Then you press the 2, now
minus 1.
Look here, this is, you enter this A values 6, 7, 3, 8 in the delete. Now look here, 6 equal to button, 7 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 8 and equal to button. The fourth, now it is 4 readings are there. You take the cursor upward. You take it to the 1 and move the cursor right side. Means in Y column. The Y column has came there. Now you can enter these 5, 5, 3, 7.
And
5
if the variety
equal to 5
are significant,
then 3 equal 7 equal. Look here. The totally this earlier 4 readings, 4 readings over. Now you press the AC and shift one button. Now I want sum TI means you press the third button. Then all the sums have came there. Look here. What I want here? Now I want sum of x. Therefore, sum of x. Look here, sum of x I want. Means here 2 buttons. 2 summation of x equal to 24. Look here, 24 it came there. And take x square button, press the x square button, and take the square of 24. Then equal to button 576. Look here, in the calculator 576 has came there. You write this value. Then again shift number 1 button, again third button. What I want here now? Look here. Here summation of x I want. Then summation of x means a summation of x square. Look here, summation of x square I want. Then this is number one button. 1 equal to 158 came there in calculator. You write 158 here. Look here. Then next shift 1 again 3. Then what is this? Look here. What is this? Summation of y it is. Means summation of y means 4. Number 4. Press the number 4 equal to button. 20 came there on the display of the calculator. Look here 20. And take you press the x square button. Means the answer square it becomes. And equal to 400 came there in a calculator. You write here. Next what I want here. See, this is summation of xi, means summation of y square I want. Look here, press 1, again summation, what I want, summation of y square. That is third button. You press the third button, 108. Look here, 108 came here. You write here. So that this saves a lot of your time. Then next, only one column. Look here, only one column left out last. And you can again see, press more button, next third button, and only one column necessary, that is first button, means x only. And x values you enter here 4, 5 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 4 equal to button, and AC button. Okay. Now look here, 5 equal to button, 4 equal to button, 3 equal to button, 4 equal to button, then AC. Then again start 1. What I want here, I want summation of x here, summation of x. Then third button. What I want, that is number 2, number 2 button. Press the number 2, that is summation of x equal to 16 came there. Look here. 16 and take a, you press the x square button, it becomes answer square, means 16 square it is equal to 256 came there. You write there. Then again I want, what is this? Summation of x square, means again shift 1 button, third button, and number 1, that is summation of x square. Now look here, 66. Now add them, it is 332. Add this TI, 60. Okay. Now next, look here, capital N. Capital means sum of all the total observations. Total observations. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 1, 2, 3. 4 into 3, 12 observations are there in the table. And sometimes it may be 20. Sometimes it may be 24. Depends upon question. Okay, then K, groups are here. Look here, A, B, C, 3 groups. Total groups are 3. Then state the hypothesis. Hypothesis means the 3 groups are there, means 3 means are coming. Here 4 groups are there, then 4 means are coming. mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3 equal to mu4. 5 means mu1 to mu5 equal. Then 3 groups are there, mu1 equal to mu2 equal to mu3. Then alternate hypothesis opposite of this. mu1 is not equal to mu2, is not equal to mu3. At least one is the true. Means all the 3 may not be equal, at least one is unequal. Okay. Now next. See here, calculation we have to do. Look here, C of calculation means correcting factor. T square upon n. Look here, T square. From the table you are getting. T square 60. N is 12. 60 square divided by 12. 60 square divided by 12. Look here, 60 square divided by 12. In calculator 300. This is important result, so that box it. For this marks will be there. Then next calculation TSS, summation of xi square minus CM. Look here, summation of xi square from the table. Look here, summation of xi square 332. 332. Look here, 332 minus CM. CM just now we have calculated 300. It is 32. Means TSS. Box it. It is important result. Next, SST equal summation of TI square upon NI minus CM. CF is
Square
300.
of 24.
Then TI square. Look here
Yeah.
in the table. TI square.
576.
Look here. TI square.
In the
576
576.
divided by how many?
You write this
Four
value.
values.
Then again,
This is a sum of
shift
four values.
number one button.
576
Again,
divided by
button.
4.
What I
And
want
similarly,
here,
next plus
look here.
400
Here,
divided by
summation
4
of
values.
X, I want.
Sometimes it
Then
may be
summation of
2,
X
3
means
values may be.
summation
And
of X
400
square.
divided by, if
Summation
the
of
2 values are there,
X
2
square I
only you
want.
take.
Then
Here,
this is
400
number
divided by
one
4 values are
equal
there.
to
This is sum of 4 values. Sometimes sum of 3 values may be. Sum of 2 values may be. Sum of only 1 value may be. Okay? Then, see here, 400 divided by 4. And next plus 256 divided by 4. Look here, you make a calculation. Look here, 576 divided by 4 plus 400 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4 minus 300. In calculator, if you create if you calculate them in calculator, 308 minus 300 means 8. SST is 8. Then you have to calculate SSE means TSS minus SST. You remember all these formulas are very important. 32. Look here, TSS is 32 minus
again
8.
summation. What I want
24.
summation of
This is
Y square.
SSE.
That is
Now,
third button.
next
You press
we
the
have to
third
form the
108. Look here,
ANOVA
108.
table. Very, very important.
You write.
Examiner gives the marks
that
for
this
this
gives
only.
lot of
By looking at the table,
Then
he will give the
only
award the
one
marks.
column.
Now,
Okay, only
look
one
here,
column.
ANOVA table. The variation first column,
Again.
degrees of freedom,
See,
SS,
more
sum of squares, MSS, mean, sum of
only one
squares,
column
F
necessary.
ratio,
First button.
MST
Means
divided by
X
MSC.
only.
Okay,
And X
now,
values we enter
here,
here.
between,
4,
further between, degrees of freedom is K minus 1.
4 equal to
K minus means K is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then SST, look here, just now we have calculated SST.
3 equal to
See,
button.
SST,
Equal to button.
here 8.
Then
That 8 you have to enter there.
Start 1.
See here.
What I want
Okay, SST.
here,
And
I want
SSC,
summation of X
we have
here.
calculated here
Summation
just
of
now.
X. Then
Look here,
third button.
SSC,
What I
24.
want, that is
Okay,
number 2.
and the TSS
two
also
button.
last,
Press the
look
number
here,
two, that is
32 is
summation
there,
of X
24 and
equal to
32.
16
You
K
can
button.
enter there. Look here,
16.
SSC
And
24,
again, you press
TSS
the X square
32.
button.
Then
Answer
MSS
square
means
16 square.
SST divided by K minus 1. SST
You write here.
divided by K
Then
minus 1.
Again,
Means
I want
8
what is
upon
this?
2.
Summation
It is
of X
4
square.
it is.
Means again.
And next,
shift
MSE means
Third
SSE
button.
divided by
And
N minus K.
number one.
SSE divided by
That is
N
summation
minus
of
K.
X square.
24
Now,
upon 9.
66.
This is
Now add
2.67.
them.
Okay.
332.
Now,
Add this
next,
60. Okay.
here,
Now next,
F.
look here. Capital
F
M.
equal to
Capital
MST
means
divided by
sum of
MSE.
all the
If MST is
total
greater,
observations.
and
Total
it may be MSC upon MST. If MSC is
And
greater,
here 1, 2,
then
3,
here,
4 into
see,
12
this F value, this is greater MST
table.
because it is 4, it is
sometimes it may be
2.6.
20.
Whichever is
Sometimes
greater,
it
you
may be
take it in
20.
numerator.
Depends
Whichever
upon
is smaller,
question.
take it in denominator.
Then K.
Then
Groups
the
are-
4 upon
look here.
2.67,
A, B,
it,
C, 3 groups.
you are getting
Groups are 3. Then
1.5.
hypothesis.
And
Hypothesis
you
means
can write the
three
degrees of freedom for
groups
this.
are there.
Look here,
Means
I have
three
taken
means
MST in numerator,
here 4 groups
MST in numerator, and its degrees of freedom 2. And MSC in denominator, look here, MSC in denominator is degrees of freedom 9. And this is in the table calculation, it becomes mu1 and it becomes mu2. And while looking at the table, these necessary values, they are necessary. Look here, FT at 0.0, open the log table and open the 0.05 means 5% table with the degrees of freedom. The DF equal to 2 means mu1 equal to 2. Look here, 2 equal to mu1. And degrees of freedom is 9. 9 equal to mu2 is in the table you can see 2 and 9. It gives 4.26. Now you compare this value and this F value calculated. Look here, F equal to 1.5 and you compare with this 4.26. Look here, 1.5 is smaller than 4.26. Means calculated value of F is smaller than table value. Then hypothesis is accepted at 0.05 percentage level. And suppose here it comes, suppose F comes 8. 8 is greater than 4.26. In that case, 80 is rejected. Yes, this is the total answer, my dear students. Wish you good luck. Have a nice time. Good day. Ti square upon Ni minus Cf. Cf is 300. Then Ti square, look here in the table, Ti square. Look here, Ti square 576 divided by how many? 4 values. This is a sum of 4 values. 576 divided by 4. And similarly, next plus 400 divided by 4 values. Sometimes it may be 2, 3 values may be. And 400 divided by, if the 2 values are there, 2 only you take. Here 400 divided by 4 values are there. This is sum of 4 values. Sometimes sum of 3 values may be. Sum of 2 values may be. Sum of only 1 value may be. Okay. Then see here 400 divided by 4. And next plus 256 divided by 4. Look here, you make a calculation. Look here. 576 divided by 4 plus 400 divided by 4, 256 divided by 4 minus 300. In calculator, if you calculate them in calculator, 308 minus 300 means 8. SST is 8. Then you have to calculate SSE means TSS minus SST. You remember all these formulas are very important. 32. Look here, TSS is 32 minus 8, 24. This is SSE. Now, next we have to form the ANOVA table. Very, very important. Examiner gives the marks for this only. By looking at the table, he will give the award the marks. Now, look here, ANOVA table. The variation first column, degrees of freedom, SS, sum of squares, MSS, mean, sum of squares, F, ratio, MST divided by MSC. Okay, now here between, for the between, degrees of freedom is K minus 1. K minus means K is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then SST, look here, just now we have calculated SST. See, SST, here 8. That 8 you have to enter there. See here, okay, SST. And SSC, we have calculated here just now. Look here, SSC, 24. Okay, and the TSS also last, look here, 32 is there, 24 and 32. You can enter there. Look here, SSC 24, TSS 32. Then MSS means SST divided by K minus 1. SST divided by K minus 1 means 8 upon 2. It is 4 it is. And next, MSE means SSE divided by N minus K. SSE divided by N minus K. 24 upon 9. This is 2.67. Okay. Now, next, here F. F equal to MST divided by MSE. If MST is greater, and it may be MSE upon MST. If MSE is greater, then here, see this F value, this is greater MST because it is 4, it is 2.6. Whichever is greater, you take it in numerator. Whichever is smaller, take it in denominator. Then the 4 upon 2.67, you are getting 1.5. And you can write the degrees of freedom for this. Look here, I have taken MST in numerator, and its degrees of freedom 2. And MSC in denominator, look here, MSC in denominator is degrees of freedom 9. And this is in the table calculation, it becomes mu1 and it becomes mu2. And while looking at the table, these necessary values, they are necessary. Look here, FT at 0.0, open the log table and open the 0.05 means 5% table with the degrees of freedom. DF equal to 2 means mu1 equal to 2. Look here, 2 equal to mu1. And degrees of freedom is 9. 9 equal to mu2 is in the table, you can see 2 and 9. It gives 4.26. Now you compare this value and this F value calculated. Look here, F equal to 1.5 and you compare with this 4.26. Look here, 1.5 is smaller than 4.26, means calculated value of F is smaller than table value. Then hypothesis is accepted at a 0.05% level. And suppose here it comes, suppose F comes 8. 8 is greater than 4.26. In that case, H0 is rejected. Yes, this is the total answer, my dear students. Wish you good luck. Have a nice time. Good day.